The primary thing that strikes you when you remove the Honor View 10 from the container is the means by which thin it is. At only 7 mm thick, the telephone is slimmer than both the iPhone X and Samsung Galaxy S8, and influences the lightweight gadget to feel extremely agile in the hand. The main thing that interferes with the general meagerness of shape factor is the telephone's two projecting back cameras. The Honor View 10 is accessible in navy blue, the model assessed, and midnight black. The telephone includes an aluminum as opposed to glass back, which we approve of despite the fact that it doesn't convey any amazing variable, and the sides of the gadget are pleasantly sloped, as well. The screen encompasses additionally exceptionally slim line, which serves to accentuation the span of the 5.99-inch screen. Much the same as the Honor 9, which T3 thought was breathtaking and incentive on audit, the Honor View 10's unique mark sensor is situated on the front base of the telephone. Furthermore, somewhat strangely, the telephone likewise doesn't accompany an official water protection rating, much the same as the Huawei Mate 10. We're speculating that there is some level of water protection, however it's marginally unsettling in any case. The Honor View 10 is outfitted with a 5.99-inch IPS LCD screen, which brags the on-slant vast 18:9 perspective proportion. The determination is Full HD, which at 18:9 means 1080 x 2160, and is fundamentally the same as that on the OnePlus 5T, aside from the way that the last has an OLED screen. This distinction in screen tech implies that the Honor View 10 screen looks somewhat more keen to the eye than the OnePlus 5T, yet doesn't exactly coordinate its shading and complexity. The Honor View 10 runs Android 8.0 Aria with Honor's own particular EMUI 8.0 skin to finish everything. This is a direct skin over stock Android and precisely the same found on the Huawei Mate 10 and Mate 10 Pro. We haven't precisely been captivated with past incarnations of EMUI, however this form is a positive change. Nonetheless, for the individuals who are not acquainted with it at that point out of the crate, there is certainly a level of relearning to attempt, something that will no question disturb clients who adore the stock Android encounter. The Honor View 10 is an incredible telephone. It sits somewhere close to the brilliant OnePlus 5T and the similarly great, yet altogether more costly, Huawei Mate 10 Pro. It does not have a tad of the amazing variable premium conveyed by the Mate 10 Pro in its Leica cameras, and it loses out to the OnePlus 5T of every a couple of zones, for example, its screen just being LCD rather than OLED. Nonetheless, the general bundle that the View 10 conveys to the table, and its exceptionally alluring value point, as well, makes it a superb new section to the mid-extend cell phone advertise. What's more, another section that effectively sits on an indistinguishable level from the OnePlus 5T.